bank account numbers, usernames, and passwords out of the hands of cyber crooks. How? By encrypting or scrambling data while it passes between websites and web servers, keeping it from being intercepted. Once it reaches the intended recipient, it is unencrypted. Thinking you don't need an SSL because you don't sell stuff online? Think again. Your SSL certificate tells visitors you are the SSL because you don't sell stuff online? Think again. Your SSL certificate tells visitors you are the SSL because you don't sell stuff online? Think again. Your SSL certificate tells visitors you are the SSL because you don't sell stuff online? Think again. Your SSL certificate tells visitors you are the SSL because you don't sell stuff online? Think again. Your SSL certificate tells visitors you are the SSL because you don't sell stuff. SSL certificate tells visitors you are the SSL because you don't sell stuff. SSL certificate tells visitors you are the SSL because you don't sell stuff. SSL certificate tells visitors you are the
Malaysia sahib du lasil dak ke langi fansi ke banglo men theglong la dak lang lang pandi ahok dak isi Hindu mane apang mane nu dari cho santo du se gote kado beta simbol muka theglaw teng peta Hindu amuni si do pena dung si theu pukri do la sapukri men ke chiklon ya bi pukri pusipu puta local me to benchi ke thana tu nang than pa chi ya ke sa no ka beng autonomous council museum department adon pan kita man ke pon mi kirimi mi ason do na selang prinsip nang lang la da pen pong ra preserve pen sonte pen para study pan kape sekolah tu apan pinangan siang datu
nilida arjulong bom lo cikluar ni abi puge ta pini dak na sodim nangdun pen spot nangdun pen ni ningarong lo nili west karbing long na ta son tak thak pena ne thongno bekeng bo thai mu king bo tang ho la puson dopik west karbing long na ta la pen ladang ason ke non ilitum karbing long mas council especially museum la pen archaeological department alang litum pen ladak preserve nang po athe dak la bangi si itum karbing long property pura tamil pen this is I think itum la archaeological department pen ada carbon dating bang claim nangji carbon dating claim loplote lada comment to a century ma ben koma hujima period hujima kula sobang elitum dak chini ato asinon la non ke doan hormu non ga do hormu ke ropon elo do ke henu etlo asila so ke doan hormu da ka preserve phan nada un bode autonomous council hin phan
langsung langgut thang pun lagi si ini yang multi teglong lah penala juhut ke kan lo naik kopi lo ne opesuri pusi ke po pamosa to pas on teglong lo lah bang prap jin pena bang itu khang lo bang to
So long keng bot musi pulo dah long ke dan so long keng bot ke lagi komentu ni tuh tapi hek menta la tlanet tar borson sido la pel hajuli ilap sa medapang ige
cepan
ave nasi nona pito bang la kapi pito trust pen la so keng bot pan bang amen men tira sono pen bache thai pan tu la arlo ke ni thong be keng bot irlo nasi som si pinan ta bang anan.
So right now we are at Mahamai near Domoka. So this is the footprint of Thongnokbe, the legendary figure of the Karbis. And really I would like to thank this hospital trust for preserving Hello, Thongnokbe King Bot Lo. Nasi non nili cikun lang lang po. This is the footprint of Thongnokbe, our legendary figure. Let me try. So I have tried in his footprint, but I cannot match because the footprint is very big.
Hello, Thongnokbe King Bot. Mahamaya ang long lo. So King Bot ke satu kami muluk pen aking pasing baru ni. Kado kami aking pada pasing baru ta kai ta thejat lasi Thongnokbe King Bot pulang. Laso Thongnokbe King Bot long ke ladak la pesan jala an long tar ke thelong ta sak te kang wang. Laso King Bot long ke kai ta ke sak mia son si lok bong son si du. Along gapre ka long la cepan wang iksang ta le daga bang ke cepan wi. Lapen Thongnokbe ko ana sensory do ne je Thongnokbe karbiang long karbia khai phan ke cherai bu. Long ri long pat along nanga chihumri aking asina sap non puta dola. Lasi hala so evidence lo la hello Lasi
Aku penta.
aku penta Gido puasin asap lo Lasi karbiya khay tumhan kerai komo bangke nok bidu Alang dike Ipu thong nok bilo Kadu kawe karbiya khay apfu lo Thong nok biya king bot tuke lahen